Drung Waterfall is located in the Tangmarg tehsil of Gulmarg. The name is given after a small village of Drung or Drang, which lies around 3 kilometers away from Tangmarg. A cascading waterfall set amidst majestic mountains. It is located approximately 14 kilometers from Gulmarg and 42 kilometers from Srinagar. Due to very low temperatures, the mercury drops below 0 degrees, so the waterfall also freezes. It freezes all the way in the falling shape of the water. A thick sheet of ice formed on top of the mountain is the source of the waterfall. It's the most beautiful in winter, but the waterfall is accessible throughout the year. In winter months, the lakes and streams nearby also freeze. You can experience this mesmerizing frozen sight during winter season. The waterfall plunges from a height of about 30 meters, creating a refreshing mist that enhances the natural charm of the area. The surrounding landscape is ideal for picnicking and light trekking, offering panoramic views of the verdant hills and snow-capped peaks in the distance.